Turkey and sausage jambalaya is one of the best ways to turn those turkey leftovers into something truly special. This one-pot wonder is loaded with tender rice, andouille sausage, and the star of the show, Popeyes Cajun Turkey. If you don't have a Popeyes turkey, use whatever leftovers you have. It's easy to make, full of flavor, and of course, it's fire. Ready to turn those leftovers into a masterpiece? Well, let's go.
To get started, we'll need to prep the vegetables. Chop up 1 medium yellow onion, dice or chop 1 green bell pepper, and enough celery to fill 1 cup. And finally, some green onion for garnish. And once your vegetables are ready to go, we'll need to prep the turkey and sausage. I'm using leftovers from my smoked Popeyes Cajun Turkey, which is featured in another video, but any turkey will work. Pull apart the turkey into chunks or chop it into bite-sized pieces until you have about 2 cups. Then slice 1 pound of andouille sausage into half-inch pieces. Andouille sausage has a bold, smoky flavor that's perfect for jambalaya. Now heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large heavy-bottom pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the sausage and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the edges are caramelized and golden brown. Then add 2 cups of turkey to the pot and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until it develops a light and crispy exterior. Once the sausage and turkey are browned, remove them from the pot and set aside, leaving the flavorful drippings behind to be the base of your jambalaya. And in the same pot, we'll cook the vegetables. Add 1 medium yellow onion diced, 1 diced green bell pepper, and 1 cup of diced celery. Sauté for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until softened. Now stir in the garlic and cook for another minute. As the vegetables cook, they'll release moisture, which helps to glaze the flavorful bits left behind by the sausage and turkey. Next, sprinkle a bit of Creole seasoning and smoked paprika over the vegetables. Stir it around to coat them evenly. And as always, ingredients, exact amounts, and equipment used can be found in the video description. Once the vegetables are ready, we can add the rice and stock. Add 2 cups of long grain rice and stir for about a minute to toast it lightly. Allow each grain to soak up the seasonings. Toasting the rice enhances the flavor and helps it cook evenly. Next, pour in 3 cups of chicken or turkey stock. I have leftover drippings saved from my Popeyes Cajun Turkey, so I'll use that to capitalize on that signature Popeyes flavor. Give all that a mix until well combined. Now add 1 can or 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes along with the juices. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring every once in a while to prevent the rice from sticking. And I guarantee it's gonna be fire! Once the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed, gently fold in the browned turkey and sausage. Reintroducing the turkey at this stage allows it to retain its Popeyes Cajun flavor and ensures the meats aren't overcooked. Now cover the pot again and warm everything on low heat for 5 minutes. To finish, give the jambalaya a taste, then add salt, pepper, or Creole seasoning as desired. When the flavors are balanced to your liking, spoon the jambalaya into a bowl and garnish with sliced green onions. And after that, your Popeyes Cajun Turkey and Sausage Jambalaya is ready to eat.
And there you have it, folks. That's the turkey and sausage jambalaya recipe using leftovers from my Popeyes Cajun Turkey. If you don't have a Popeyes turkey, like I said before, you can use whatever turkey you have. You may need to adjust the seasonings a bit because Popeyes turkey comes with so much flavor, you barely have to put any seasoning in it. These were actually leftovers from the turkey that I smoked, which adds another depth of flavor, and it tastes delicious. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out one of the other videos. You can check out the Popeyes copycat recipe. You can check out how to smoke a Popeyes turkey. Whatever you check out, stick around. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.